5 signs that your cat might be dying. You can save its life if you know them all. First, when your cat prefers to hide all the time and wants to stay alone, this is a sign that it doesn't feel well. All it wants is peace and comfort, which is why cats sometimes run away when they're about to die. Second, when your cat suddenly becomes aggressive and hisses if disturbed, it's because it's in pain. Third, when your cat doesn't want to eat. If your cat avoids food, even its favorite, it means something is seriously wrong, and you should take it to a vet before its condition worsens. Fourth, your cat is breathing with its mouth open. Cats with asthma, pneumonia, or even heart failure will have difficulty breathing. Fifth, when your cat is extremely weak. If your cat barely moves and has a high temperature, it might be injured or very sick. Your cat may not stay with you forever, but if you take good care of it, it will surely love you forever.